Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is carrots. We'll be making carrot risotto and roasted garlic and carrot risotto with caramelized scallops. Joining me is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Patrick Feury.
Thank you.
Wow, this is amazing. Let's get started.
So we're going to do two things simultaneously. We're going to actually make a risotto, right? And then we're going to do our carrot puree at the same time.
And are you going to show us how to make risotto in a way that's not scary and intimidating? Because don't you feel like that's something that only a chef can do?
Yeah. Some people think, you have to sit there and stir it all day long and stuff and beat it and try to get some gluten out of the rice itself. But you really don't have to do that. In the carrots, we have...
featured ingredients?
Yep.
Tell me a little bit about carrots. What are the nutritional value of them?
So carrots have that orange color, and you're going to get your vitamin A, your vitamin C. A lot of people might remember vitamin A is really good for eyesight. Vitamin C is really healthy for your immune system. And so one of the things I like about carrots, if anyone has little ones at home, it's really one of those first foods you start at 6 months. It's easy. It's an easy food to digest. It's a nice, palatable, it's a flavor that the babies usually tend to take easily.
Does it matter if you cook them or eat them raw for nutritional value?
So raw carrots for an older child, totally fine, but choking hazard for an infant.
Right, tell us what you're
So
doing,
we got
Chef.
here, we got the garlic and onions in the risotto. So we're going to put it in our rice. So we get that completely covered, get that coated with all of the olive oil. Then I'm just using water. Once it comes to a simmer, we're going to turn it down, cover it, and just leave it.
Okay, great.
And that'll create what we got here. So this actually does need to cook more. It does have a little bit of a bite to it. So we will need to add a little bit more moisture to it. The carrots and onions roasting in here, and then I'm going to just cover this with just water, and I'm going to cook them out until they completely come soft. After that, we're going to puree it. So this is exactly what this is. This is a puree. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our scallops going. You want to make sure they're really dry. You want to cook them like just opaque in the middle, but get a nice caramelization on it. I'm going to add some carrot puree to the risotto.
And this is one if you're serving it to an older child. They don't know that's carrot.
Right.
So sneaking it in a little bit, and if you have a child who's a little finicky about...
I have to do a lot of sneaking at home.
We fully endorse that in pediatrics.
So we're going to add some, I like Parmesan cheese in this.
And if you didn't have Parmesan and you wanted to use
any cheese.
whatever kind of shredded cheese you had.
Sure. Another fun thing I like to do is take the lemon, put it in there, and I like to caramelize it completely because then when you squeeze lemon on there, you got a caramel lemon flavor.
Yeah, that has been life-changing for me. You showed me that trick once before, and I entertained guests at the house, and they raved about my lemon trick.
Yeah. We'll under-season the babies a little bit, and then we'll develop this. So then now we're going to do the adults. I'm actually going to season the adults a little more.
Right.
Because if it's for me, I'm doing that. Also, when you have the puree still here.
Just add a little more water, a little more stock to
I just want to, because I kind of want to make a little bit of a fun sauce.
Okay.
And so when you get a good, nice caramelization on the scallops, I do want to hit the other side.
Those are cooked to perfection. Those are beautiful.
And take a little arugula, just some simple baby arugula. All around with that. And then...
This is the lemon trick. Really good.
That is delicious.
And your children will never ever know there's carrots in there.
That's amazing. Let's go to the scallops.
Yeah.
That's incredible. So good.
Absolutely delicious.
So delicious.